How to fix Discord Quest video not loading. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If the issue occurs, close the Discord app or the Discord web and further restart your device, no matter if you are using your PC or your mobile. Now reopen Discord again and try playing the quest video again and see if it loads or not. If not, you can refresh the Discord cache on your PC. So, press the Control keys if you are using Windows, or you can press the Command R key if you are using Mac while Discord is open. This will reload the interface and clear some temporary bugs. See if your issue was fixed or not, and if not, then tap on the settings option from the bottom of your screen and then scroll to the advanced option you see there, and further go ahead and toggle off the developer mode toggle button if it is enabled. And now restart and then reopen it and see if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then make sure you are using a proper working internet connection, and if your Wi-Fi is not working properly, then you can join some other network. You can also try to use a VPN, as some Quest videos are region restricted or CDN throttled. And lastly, the last fix is you can try to log out and then log back in to Discord and see if that fixes your issue, as this will refresh your session. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Discord Quest video not loading. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.